this is also one of our hot selling products. Rivet gun.
Yes.
Yes, we know the main part is the cloth tablets, right?
Yeah.
And so this material is very hard. It's made of chrome molybdenum. Yes, chrome molybdenum steel.
Yes.
And
Also called CRMO.
yes.
Yes.
So it's very hard and sharp. The body material is A3 steel.
A3 steel is a low carbon steel, but it is enough for this tool.
Yes, it's enough for daily use.
Yeah.
And the surface treatment is red paint. You can also paint other colors.
And the paint is bright finish. It looks bright, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Other customers also acceptable. Yes, we see it has 4 nozzles.
Yeah.
Yes, has 2 sides. You can see 2.4 millimeters and 3.2 millimeters, 4 millimeters, and 4.8 millimeters. These 4 sizes are our common size. It's enough for your daily use.
Yeah. You can change it fast by this.
Yes, it has a spanner. Yes, has a spanner here. We can place the nozzle very easily.
Yeah.
So Jerry, can you place it? Replace this.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, Jerry will show you how to replace the nozzle.
Lose these screws.
Yes, we lose this nozzle and change another.
The spanner is very small and easy to use, and it can.
Yes, and we also have other type. Yes, this is aluminum and carbon steel material for the body, and the cloth tablets also made of chrome molybdenum steel, CRMO steel.
Yeah.
And can on here can later your logo. This is our logo pro-built. You can see it's very clear. And if you have your own logo, we can also laser here.
So what is the MOQ of this tool?
1,000 pieces. And if you want less quantity, that is also acceptable. Okay, just send your inquiry to us. info@sinotools.com. You can see here. If you want more items, you can view our website, sinotools.com.
Okay.
We have many types of hand tools. Okay.
Okay, I have changed it.
Yes, we can try to use it.
Okay.
So we have the top rivet. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Put it into the hole.
Okay. You can.
Okay.
Okay. Can you help me?
Yes.
Okay.
You can see we put the top rivet into this hole.
Yes. Put this long head into this hole and put this short side into what you want to clamp. Okay, now I will pull the 2 arms. Pull them together and separate. After you separate, and you need to put the tool forward to the bottom of the nail.
Okay.
Pull them again. Okay.
It's very easy.
Look.
Okay, we have finished it. It's very easy. So it must be a good quality rivet gun.
Yes.
Okay, for the package, we have this one, the PP card. Here had a hole. We can easily hang it into your showroom and your shop, and can show your customers here, and your customers very convenient to touch it. We also have other package.
This is
like
called
this.
sliding card.
Can protect your products.
Yes. You can also hang these products on your shop.
Yes, also can show your company information on the package. We also have this one, the double blister card.
Yes.
This is our brand, also our brand, Sinotools.
Yeah, if you have your own brand, we can accept OEM and print your logo on the sliding card or this
one.
Yeah, on this one.
Double blister card.
Yeah.
Yes, and we have our own designers. If you don't have your own brand, but you want to do your own brand, we can help you to design the logo and design your package.
Yes.
Yes, and our designers very professional in this field. I believe they will make the best work for you.
Yes.
And we also have the display box.
Yeah.
And you can show your products here. Like this. You can show about 10 products.
Yeah.
And for this side can show your company information or your logo or the product informations. We can also help you make the design. For the MOQ, about 1,000 pieces for this product. If you want less quantity, that is also acceptable. Just send your inquiry to us, info@sinotools.com. And we can also provide a free sample for you before you confirm the order.
Yeah.